Hata hapo inatosha. Aende polepole, nani atakontrol huyu jamaa?
I can confidently confirm and acknowledge that we have recently offered distinguished leadership to the people of Kenya and the county of Narok throughout this period. Accordingly, I therefore wish to convey profound humility and deepest gratitude to my two colleagues for having ceded their ambition for my candidature by consensus. This is a rise to the spirit of nationhood